Earned value is a method of measuring project performance. It is sometimes recognized as something which is done for compliance with a contract, and it has a reputation for being quite complicated. EVM is actually very simple. EVM takes some of the fundamentals of any good project management system. That is, understanding what is your scope. It's looking at your budget over the time of that project. It's taking your actuals, your actual cost, actual hours spent, and then measuring your progress to date. That's it. That's all that earned value is. Earned value has been shown through studies to be a tremendously strong indicator of future performance. So for example, there was a very detailed study that determined that when you're 20% of the way into a project, your performance up to that time is indicative of where you're going to end up on that project once the project is completed, plus or minus 10%. When you compare that to the norms of performance in the project management industry, that's extraordinary. We're seeing consistent reports of projects which double their budgets, which are 80% over schedule, that being the norm. To be able to have that predictive power is extraordinary, and that's what earned value delivers. Traditionally, where you saw earned value was on very large aerospace and defense type of contracts where governments are mandating following an earned value method. Now, what's exciting is that people are seizing upon earned value as a great forecasting tool or predictive tool. And so they're starting to apply earned value principles to any type of project. The trick is being able to capture progress in a simple, easy to use way. With EcoSys, we looked at earned value and we wanted to ensure that we could perform earned value in the most rigorous way demanded by some of the largest projects in the world, where you could track earned value according to an EIA 748 standard across $1 billion project. But what's exciting is that we've also established earned value methods that are quite simple for other types of projects that don't require quite so much rigor. We allow you to roll up the earned value performance across an entire portfolio of projects. We can understand how our whole portfolio is performing. Often what we see with failed earned value implementations is that they overcomplicated it. Our focus when rolling out earned value is to capture progress as high as we can to still provide meaningful information, but in the simplest, most efficient way. So we're doing that now with mobile apps out in the field, integrating with many of the Hexagon and Intergraph products that are pulling together work package information, pulling in actual progress from the 2D or the 3D model. So these are some of the ways we're now capturing progress, deliverables. The other way that earned value can fail is if it's just a reporting exercise. See, for us, what we see with earned value, it's really the linchpin of your project control system. It allows you to understand what our performance trends are and then forecast going forward based upon that. So where we see people start to really embrace earned value is when they can start to use it, when all of the people in the field understand what their forecast is going to be based upon their past performance. With project management, very often you're looking at what did we actually spend months ago? What was our budget 2 years ago when we approved this project? What was the funding that was provided? These are all lagging indicators. But earned value is the executive's secret weapon, because what it's doing is it's capturing past performance, and then it's using those metrics to forecast where we're going to end up on this project. And we can do that for each project, and we can do it for the entire portfolio. So for an executive who actually wants to not have a true pulse on what's happening across all of their projects and to be able to confidently predict what's going to happen in the future, that's why they need earned value.